Have this open.
Yes, that's golden. Are you crazy boy? Are you crazy boy?
We do harvest dinosaur. It's for boys. Every one's soon.
Colton's showing you around our hotel room. That would be the stove. And he says this would be the bedroom. Dirty clothes. Love it. And that's where we put our combs and brushes. Yeah. Hi, little boy. There's our room. Oh, 2 beds. The kitchen. Hey, Dax. What's up, buddy boy? Nothing. There's the wizard playing wizard. Hi, Jace.
Hi.
What you doing? Reading. Reading on vacation?
Oh my